Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to make table border invisible in Google Documents. Open Google Documents file that you need. Select the table that you need. Click on Format at the top tools bar. Choose Table from the list. Click on Table Properties. A new window will open. Look for the table border block. Click on the color option. Click on White Color. In order to make the borders disappear, you choose the white color in border options. Well, this will work when the background is white. However, if the background should change for any reason, the white borders will be apparent and you'll have to match the background color again. Click OK to apply the changes. The borders will be invisible. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!